Inmates placed under a super security facility are considered as A. Incorrigibles, B. Chronic troublemakers, C. Escape artists, D. All of the foregoing. Answer D. All of the foregoing. For minimum security institutions, the purpose of fencing the surrounding is A. To keep the civilian population from entering the institution. B. It is designed to prevent escapes. C. It is designed for agricultural purposes. D. It is designed to facilitate an open view of the surrounding. Answer A. To keep the civilian population from entering the institution. He introduced the Elmira, a new institutional program for boys from 16 to 30 years of age. This system was based on parole and indeterminate sentences and was referred to as the forerunner of modern penology. A. Manuel Montesinos, B. Sir William Crofton, C. Domets of France, D. Z.R. Brockway. Answer D. Z.R. Brockway. He was chair of the board of directors of convict prisons for Ireland between 1854 and 1862. He introduced the progressive system which attempted to place the responsibility for self-improvement on the prisoner himself through successive stages. A. Manuel Montesinos, B. Domets of France, C. Sir Walter Crofton, D. Z.R. Brockway. Answer C. Sir Walter Crofton. Established agricultural colonies for delinquent boys, and his reformation system is based on re-education rather than force. A. Manuel Montesinos, B. Domets of France, C. Sir Walter Crofton, D. Z.R. Brockway. Answer B. Domets of France. He contributed to the progressive system by dividing prisoners into companies, appointing prisoners as petty officers in charge, and prescribing academic classes of 1 hour a day for inmates under 20 years of age. A. Manuel Montesinos, B. Domets of France, C. Sir Walter Crofton, D. Z.R. Brockway. Answer A. Manuel Montesinos. He asserted that criminals are not free moral agents, but are products of traits and circumstances. A. Ferry, B. Garofalo, C. Lombroso, D. Vicaria. Answer B. Garofalo. People would tend to believe that by putting the offender in prison, society is safeguarded from further criminal depredation. A. Reformation, B. Protection, C. Expiation, D. Retribution. Answer B. Protection. Modern justification for punishment concludes that society will be best protected if criminal offenders are rehabilitated. A. Reformation, B. Protection, C. Expiation, D. Retribution. Answer A. Reformation. During the primitive days, this punishment was given to criminal offenders by means of flogging, mutilation, maiming, and disfiguration. A. Corporal punishment. B. Death. C. Public humiliation. D. Shaming. Answer: A. Corporal punishment.